Hello, good people. Emmanuel and Safali bring you the Promise Insurance Show. And today I would like to start with this amazing video that I saw on Twitter and TikTok that I feel that we can understand how driving is in Kampala so that we can get some solutions as insurers. I know the bias is there, but let's just listen in and then see.
Things you need to know before you start driving in Kampala. 1. The seatbelt is useless, but just put it on when you see a traffic officer. 2. In case of an accident, settle with cash. Don't bother with insurance. 3. All traffic rules and regulations don't apply to boda bodas. Just be wary. 4. The bigger and more expensive car has the right of way. Always. 5. Turn your headlights to the brightest at night. Other road users are your rivals and don't deserve to see.
Night's looking pretty bright to me.
6. Taxis are allowed to stop, park, load, and offload passengers anywhere, anytime. Be wary. 7. It's not corruption if you're in it.
Thank you.
Give the policeman a few shillings,
Corruption,
then carry on
everywhere. Give
complaining
him my
about
lunch money and
corruption.
smells like a king. Hey, does he know how hard I work?
8. You have to correctly guess all the one-way roads in the city. Signposts for such are a waste of money. And remember, ignorance is no defense. 9. Thou shalt not measure the depth of a pothole with...
This is the winner.
10. When the light turns green, we'll give you only 1 second to get moving. Then we'll eat you up. 11. Don't drink and drive unless you know where the police checkpoints for the night are. 12. When the light turns yellow, it means go faster. 13. Hooting is music. So hoot to greet, hoot to alert, hoot when bored. Just hoot. 14. Policemen have no time to check real or fake notes. Use this information the way you wish. 15. It's a war. Don't warn your enemies about your next move. Indicate only after you have turned.
So very quite interesting video out there. And of course, let me feature what Britam has to offer. But before going into comprehensives and all that, let's talk about what the first insurance, and there are so many developments that have come in place. Let's start with this third-party insurance. So this is how a flyer of insurance is looking like. Britam Insurance has opted, and not just for Britam, all companies in Uganda as of URA have been directed to have digital third-party stickers. So with what a solution that Britam is having is using a chatbot. So there's this number that you can call on whenever you need third party. Let's try it out today. So this is the number. I've put in, say, my number plate. Once it comes, it will have this kind of name, that number that is displayed. So it will ask you, do you want to pay for third party? Do you want to pay for enhanced third party, or you want to contact customer service? Let's say I want to pay third party, and then I press OK. Okay, it's gonna ask me enter the vehicle registration number. I usually use this vintage car 34C. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it will give us a message of where the vehicle is covered, and let's just give it a few seconds for you to appreciate. So it's telling us that this vehicle, we shall charge 68,700, 68,076 shillings. So it shows you the number plate, and then the vehicle. It's called a Daihatsu, and then the person who is registered with that vehicle. So I can either continue with this number or I use another number, things like that. So this is gonna, and in just a matter of minutes, we're going to get something like this. Okay, you will get a sticker. Once you have made the payment, it will give you how to make the payment, and you'll get your sticker. Of course, I've just hidden the details of the car owner, but could be showing the model of the vehicle, shows you the chassis number, and then the vehicle. This is what you can either print it out or you can just keep it on your phone. And this system is actually integrated with all authorities, whether police, whether military, and all KCCA, or the municipal councils, whenever they're checking whether you have at least the motor third party. Remember, the motor third party only covers those elements whereby you knock the person. Remember, there is a first party, second party, and the third party. The third party is another person who will be hurt by your vehicle on the road, and that's you can use this to compensate you up to 1 million shillings. But of course, I don't want to dwell so much into what third party is all about. We could consider comprehensive insurance, and it's also digital in nature. And going forward, we're also not issuing physical stickers any longer. So this is what motor comprehensive insurance looks like. It's a portal just like this, and we always issue. We have gone through this before. Give us a chance. Let's say we can use private, it could be a commercial. All this is informed by the kind of logbook that you have. It will show us what logbook you have, and then we put in either private or comprehensive or commercial. So you said there are all kinds of areas. If you look at the year of manufacture, now this is another trick. We are starting with vehicles of only 14 years. So now this is 24 years. Any car older than 24 years is going to be kicked out of the system. So for instance, we're in 2026. So the vehicle of 2001, that is 25 years. So this is the oldest we can cover. If it is a model 2000, it's not going to be covered. So I'm making this video in January, but you could say we want to start it in February, say 2nd, and of course it will automate go to about 12 months. You put in the value of the vehicle, and let's say it is 40 million. And maybe at this point, let me disclose an offer that Britam has offered for all clients whose vehicle is about 30 million. Actually, for that matter, let me use 30 million. So if your vehicle is worth 30 million and above, let me show you what is going to happen. We are actually going to give you a free tracker. Yeah, and that tracker will actually reduce your premium by 15%. So if this is a person who has driven about 15 years, usually we believe we are maybe only you who is driving, or you give it to other people. Let's say you're the only one who drives it plus your spouse. Private allows for the spouse to drive. So if there are no other people, of course, if it's mostly domestic purposes, this is what it will come up with. To ask me, have you insured before? Yes, I'll insure. I've been insuring with Britam. And other questions, most of these are no for people who have insured before. For those who have not insured before, of course, most of them will also be no. So let's just go quickly, just show you how quick this process is. So it gives us the computation that the premium would be 1.46 million. So let's say we're giving you we qualify for a tracker as long as your vehicle is above 30 million. You could also go for the political violence terrorism option, but now that we have finished elections and they're generally peaceful, let's just take the tracker discount. So from 1.46, it has come to 1.25. So with this, if you select this, it will show you that yes, this person is being covered. I will come and quote this number plate and quote this quotation and share it with you. Let's just look at the benefits you're going to have. So let's just see how it's going to come up. It's just a matter of minutes, seconds. So let's say we cover this January 2026. So when I do this, the policy document or the quotation slip will come here to be displayed. And so the most important thing you need to check out is what are my discounts vis-a-vis and what's the premium. So you can see there's a premium discount of 180,000 for this particular car of 30 million. So the premium is 1.25. But also very important to note are the benefits you're getting out of it. Now, this policy only works if you're going to conclude these payments on mobile money or the bank. So this quotation and the benefits you're getting here will only apply for those people who have completed the policy in the portal. Meaning, once I've given you a quotation, you load this money on your phone, and we can conclude everything in the phone. Of course, you send me your logbook, you send me your tracker. Okay, the tracker we shall avail. A service provider can do that for you, for those people who are having. But if you already have one, share it so that we can quicken the process. But the benefits are also quite high vis-a-vis what has been traditionally been given. Things like alternative car use, all these benefits are offered which were not initially offered, and everything is coming digitally, such that at the end of the day you'll also come and get a sticker just like this, only that this is for third party, but again you can get for the comprehensive. I didn't have an example today, but you get the point. So all in all, today I just want to conclude by telling you that it's very possible to conclude all these insurances with these chatbots very quickly, so that you can you get, first of all, very superior benefits, and you'll not get anywhere else, and also very quick responses. So embrace a company that has embraced technology. Take out comprehensive insurance, take out third parties, and don't be like this man who was skeptical in this video. Yeah. So with that, I remain Emmanuel Safari. Of course, just to remove that disclaimer where the person said insurance is of no use. Yes, of course, if you can settle out of court, the better. But if you can, take it out comprehensively. It's very affordable. For those who need some payment plans, we can discuss all that. I remain Emmanuel Safari, bring you the Promise Insurance Show. Let's look out for the next episode. Until then, I remain Emmanuel Safari. Stay blessed.